Hello, my name's Gareth Robinson and I'm the product manager for 2N's access control software platform. Have you heard of WaveKey? It's our patented technology for mobile access control. It's the fastest on the market with unrivaled reliability and security. If that weren't enough, we stand out by offering mobile credentials free of charge and making them really simple to distribute with no need for cloud connection. And that's what we're going to focus on today. Whoever's responsible for user management may generate mobile credentials into an Access Commander. Whether they're the security admin, HR manager, or a receptionist, just grant them the appropriate permissions. They can now create users, assign him or her to a group, and generate a pairing code. There are two ways for a user to pair their phone. Firstly, when standing directly at the front desk, the employee can open the 2N mobile key application and choose to add a new device. They'll be asked for a pairing code, which the receptionist will tell them. The mobile phone is immediately paired via a USB dongle at the receptionist's computer. 2N Access Commander syncs the credentials to all readers where access is allowed. You're done in less than 30 seconds. The second option is to send the pairing code remotely to the user via an email, which explains how to download the 2N mobile key application and pair with the reader. A validity term between 10 minutes and 10 days may be set for the pairing code, and the user must complete pairing during this term. Pairing may be completed via a designated device. There may be several of these in the building and might typically include the reader at the front door. Pairing need only be done once per site, so after a successful pairing with one device, all the devices at doors accessible by this user will be synced. This makes the whole process very simple and completely eliminates the need for personal meetings and costly physical distribution.